Few breaking updates coming in from the markets. Sensex and Nifty are trading in the red, slumping over 900 points. Stock markets opening lower on Friday and also extending the losses in the early trade, tracking weak global cues, broad-based selling as well that we are seeing. Let's go across to my colleague Hina Gambhir for a better understanding. Hina, what can be attributed the reasons for this free fall that we are seeing in the markets?
Well, you know, what is important to note here is that, Pratibha, this fall in the markets that we have seen, it actually came in the last 30 minutes of the trade. So before the markets closed, the last 30 minutes, suddenly there was a lot of volatility. Both Sensex as well as Nifty fell sharply. In fact, Sensex fell about 961 points to close at 81,287. And Nifty closed about at 25,179 with a drop of about 318 points. Now, the reason, of course, is there's profit booking that's happening by the foreign institutional investors. There is some weakness that we have seen in the banking stocks specifically that led to this kind of a fall. Apart from that, globally in the Middle East specifically, there are concerns that US may target Iran anytime. As a result, the crude oil prices have started rising because of uncertainty around that particular aspect. So that's also adding a bit of uncertainty and fear among the investors here. And it's not just a phenomena here in India. This kind of a weakness is being seen in markets across the world. And third important aspect, Pratibha, is the new GDP data that's going to be released in just a few minutes from now. Our base year is going to change. So how will those numbers really be looking? There is a bit of cautiousness ahead of that as well.
Okay, all right. Hina, thank you for getting us all those details for a better understanding of what happened to the Sensex. More than 1%, Nifty shedding around 300 points. With that, we slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.